Hi kitchen friends! In today's episode, I'll be sharing with you how to make Albanian meatballs. Albanian meatballs, or known as Qoftē Fērguara, are flavorful and succulent meat patties that are a popular dish of Albanian cuisine. They are typically made from the mixture of ground beef or combination of beef and lamb, which is seasoned with a variety of aromatics ingredients to create a rich and savory flavor profile. The use of these spices reflects the influence of Mediterranean and Balkan culinary traditions of Albanian cuisine. So come on, let's get started! So in a bowl, we'll combine the ground meat and the chopped parsley. Then the chopped onions, we'll also add chopped garlic, cumin and paprika, then ground pepper, salt to taste, moist breadcrumbs, and we'll mix them all together. Kitchen friends, Albanian meatballs are commonly served as a main dish, accompanied by various side dishes such as pita bread, fresh vegetables, and yogurt sauce. Overall, Albanian meatballs are delightful representation of the country's culinary heritage, combining aromatic seasonings with quality meat to create a dish that is both comforting and full of robust flavors. Okay, the mixture is bound together with the addition of eggs, which help to create a cohesive texture and aids in holding the meatballs together during cooking. And once the meat mixture is prepared, small portions are shaped into round or sometimes oval meatballs. And these meatballs are gently pan-fried or grilled, or as what they call sigara meatballs. And we had just added some olive oil, and then we'll continue mixing. And we'll continue mixing now by hand, and this is very important because I think this is their secret, because maybe of this, Albanian meatballs are so succulent and so smooth as you bite it. Just continue mixing by hand at least 3 minutes. No, continue mixing it and blending all together. We'll cover it with a cling wrap and rest it for at least 1 hour. So after an hour, let's check our mixture. As you could see, they are all gelled to one another, very cohesive, no? Very firm. So that's the Albanian meatballs. And this is how I formed my meatballs, with the help of this cling wrap. I'll try to roll and wrap them one by one. and we'll try to rest them inside the fridge for another hour. Then we'll heat up the grilled pan over a medium heat and place the meatballs in the pan, leaving some space between them to ensure even cooking. Asian friends, this is a must try, and I promise you, it's different, it's delicious, and it's another flavor. I promise you. Jiren, and this is our Albanian meatballs. So if you want more recipes like this, please don't forget to subscribe. And we have a lot more in store for you. And thanks for watching. Stay well, take care, God bless, bye!